My name is Ananya Shukla. Today's my topic is the fate of one who fall from yoga, the glories of Dhyan Yoga described. Arjuna said, Krishna, what becomes of all this soul who, though endowed with faith, has not been able to subdue his passion, and whose mind is therefore diverted from yoga at the time of death, and who thus fails to reach perfections in the yoga God realizations. Krishna strayed from the path leading to God realization, and without anything to stand upon. Is he not last like the torn cloud described of both God realization and heavenly enjoyments? Krishna, it beholds you to slash this doubt of mine completely, for none other than you can be found. Who can bear this doubt? Sri Bhagwan said, Dear Arjuna, there is no fall for him either here or there. After, for none who strives for self-reactions, therefore, that it God realization ever meets with evilly destiny, he who, fallen from yoga, attains the higher world, heaven, etc., to which man of Mauritius dishes alone and entire, and having resided therefore countless years takes work in this house of wise and wealthy man. Or if he is past of dispassion, he is one, is the family and intellected yogis. But such a worth in this world is very difficult to obtain. Arjuna, he automatically regains in that worth the spiritual inside of his previous worth, and through that he strives, however, then ever for patience, perfections in the free form of God realizations. The other one who taxed worth in is such family, though other the sway of senses feels driven towards God by force of the habits extract, and he previous worth no, even the seekers of intellected of yoga, the free from the even mindset, transactions, the fruit of actions performed, the worth of senseless stands motive is laid down in the Vedas. The yoga, however, who diligently takes up to practice attained perfections in these very life with the help of the tenses of the many words, and being thoroughly purged of sense for with reach to supreme state, the yogi is superior to the assist, is he regarded as superior even to those words in secret. Lord, the yogi is also superior to those who perform action with the instinctive motive. Therefore, Arjuna, do you become a yogi of all yogis? Again, to he who doubtfully worships me with his mind focused on me is considered by me to the best yogi. Thus, in the Upanishad sung by the Lord, the science of Brahma, the scripture of yoga, the dialogue between Sri Krishna and Arjuna, and the sixth chapter entitled the yoga of self-control. गीता सुगीता कर्तव्य कि मन्ने शास्त्र विस्तरे या स्वयं पद्मनावत्स्य. राधे राधे.